Look at this beauty. Oh my goodness. I just took it out of the oven. Can't wait to eat it. If you want to see how I made it, oh, stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, wait till you see what I have in store for you today. Oh my goodness, it's magical! And who do I have with me today? I have a sous chef with me, and his name is Kyle. Say hi to my subscribers, and Kyle is my grandson. And he only had college classes this morning. So I said, oh, good, maybe you could do a video with me. And he said, all right. So here we are. So what I'm going to show you today is a dump and go meatball casserole. It's perfect for those that work. You get home from work, right, Kyle?
Yeah.
And you get home from work and you don't feel like cooking. You want to do something quick, or maybe you just don't like to cook, right? So we're going to show you how simple this is and how delicious it comes out. So, are you ready, Kyle?
Yes.
Let's get ready. So, as Kyle will show you here, show you, Kyle, we need a 9 by 13 inch casserole dish. This is glass, it can be ceramic, whichever you prefer. Now, the best part of this is you don't have to cook your pasta. Now, I'm going to use the rotini pasta, right, Kyle? Right. And you can use ziti. You don't want to use any kind of big pasta. So what we're going to do is, the first thing Kyle is going to do is spray the inside of your baking dish, the bottom and the sides. And don't go anywhere because you won't want to miss this. Woo, Kyle. Gosh. Did you get all the sides here? Okay, I think you have enough. Okay, move that over there.
It's dripping.
Whoa, that's okay.
Is that too much?
Yeah. No, that's fine. Now Kyle is gonna open up this 1 pound box of rotini pasta, and he's gonna dump it, because this is a dump recipe, right, in this pan. Okay, move that box over there. All right. Now, what we're gonna do next is we need some sauce. Now, if you have homemade sauce that you made, fine, feel free to use it. But you need about 24 or 25 ounces of sauce. Now, the better the sauce, wait a minute, the better this will taste. Now, I happen to be using Raos sauce because other than my own homemade, this is my favorite. My second favorite is Victoria sauce. But this happens to be a 40-ounce jar. We only need about 25 ounces. So I'm going to say we're going to use, Kyle, about 3/4. No, about 3/4. So open that up and pour about 3/4 all around on top of the raw pasta. You see how much you have left in the jar? That's good, I think. And well, it's good because we're going to mix it. And then what you have left, you can always use it later on if you want to add a little bit when you're eating to put on there. Now, we are going to add, let me bring this over to Kyle because it's so heavy. 3 cups of water. Pour that all over the pasta. Good job, Kyle. All righty. Move that over there. Now, you're going to use your small frozen meatballs, but you want to make sure they are defrosted, right? So Kyle's going to put, I would say, about a 14-ounce package of meatballs. Kyle's going to put them all over. Need a spoon, Kyle? Well, they're dump and go, so he's dumping. Okay, all right. So we have the water, we have the pasta. No fingers here, use your spoon. And we have the meatballs, all right? So Kyle's going to take this spatula and he's going to gently mix all of this together. And I'll back away. What is this, Kyle? Kyle splattered sauce all over the table. I'm getting away from him. to go from underneath so the meatballs, yeah, get like some sauce on them. Now I preheated my oven to 425 degrees. So I'm gonna get aluminum foil and we're gonna tightly cover this with aluminum foil. So while Kyle is stirring this, I'll get the foil. Now, I think we want to season it with a little bit of salt. So maybe the cameraman can hand me the salt shaker over there. Did you get that mix on the side? Mm-hmm. See, this is just dump and go. He dumped in the pasta, he dumped in the sauce, dumped in the meatballs, and we're gonna season it with a little salt. So sprinkle just a little salt over it.
It looks like poop effort.
And it tastes delicious. So get that, a little bit of salt all around there. Okay, very nice. All right, now we're going to cover this tightly with aluminum foil. Let me measure that. Okay. You want to cover this tightly on all sides with the foil. And I'm going to put this in my 425 degree oven for about 35 minutes. Now, at the 35-minute point, don't go away because I'm going to take it out of the oven. I'm going to uncover it, stir it, and then, woo, wait till you see the shredded mozzarella cheese we're going to put on there. So we'll be back as soon as this baby comes out of the oven. Right, Kyle? Right. Don't go away. Okay, I'm back. I'm solo now. Kyle will be here later when we do a taste testing. So, it was in the oven for 35 minutes. I'm going to take off the foil. Oh, look at that. Oh, yum. And I'm just going to taste one of the pastas just to see if they're al dente. I'm going to make sure they're cooked. It looks really good. Very hot. Perfect. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle about 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, shredded mozzarella, all over the top of this. And then I'm going to return it to the oven uncovered for 5 to 10 minutes until the cheese melts. And after that, I'm going to show you what it looks like, and we're going to do a taste testing. Because this is tonight's dinner. This is so easy. You saw. Dump and go. We just dumped what we wanted in there. Covered it with foil. Baked it. Now we'll put cheese on it. And that's a really easy recipe. Imagine coming home from work and you're tired. You don't even feel like cooking, but you have to. You just throw this thing together. Dump and go. It's like magic. It's magical. I think that's about 2 cups. I mean, give or take a little, it's fine. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put this back in the oven uncovered, and I'll be back when the cheese melts, and we'll do our taste testing, and I'll show you what it looks like. So don't go away. Look who's back, this handsome devil. Wow, this looks delicious, I have to tell you. I will put the recipe down below in the description box for you, and I'll put some stills in for you. But right now, Kyle is going to do a little taste testing. So let me put a little bit in this bowl for him. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that melted cheese. Ah! Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Whoa, Kyle. Here, got your fork there? That looks so yummy. Now, give my subscribers your honest opinion. I can see this hot, that steam coming out of it. Melted cheese. How is it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Did you hear that? It says 10 out of 10 from a teenager. Well, he's an 18-year-old teenager. Wow, all right. So thank you, everyone. Let me tell you, make this. You saw how easy it is. You will love it. If you like this video and you're not yet a subscriber, go down below and hit that red subscribe. give me a thumbs up, right? And that little bell, it's a notification bell, and you'll get a notification. Just one, but you'll get a notification, right, Kyle?
Yes.
Every time I put a new video up. So make this. Oh, look, and he wants more. This is just supposed to be our little taste testing. Leave some for Grandma. All right, thank you everybody for watching. Love you all. See you soon. Don't forget to come back. We're gonna go eat this now. Let's say goodbye to them, Kyle. Toodles.